Woo!
Nice. Play. Go.
Yeah.
His back eddy is like so aggressive.
Yeah, it looks like a great spot, but it's difficult. Got one.
Nice. I was actually just going to say to you, under that tree was awesome.
Wow, dude, he's strong. Look at him, he's taking my drag, man.
Good. Play him a little bit. What do you use it?
San Juan, baby. Wow, dude, nice fish.
Nice.
They're all big, kid. It's a woo!
That's how it's done. Let me try this hole real quick one more time and go for new waters. Looks like you see that?
Damn, that did not work.
Did you see that?
Yeah, it did.
Yeah, I don't know what's going on.
I seen his belly, you had him.
Yeah, I don't know why.
There we go.
I don't know what's up. These green hooks suck.
You got him. Behind.
Dude, we're crushing them here.
Got him.
Dude, yeah.
Got him.
Dude, look tight on that rod. This is where I landed right here.
Not a bad trout at all, dude. That was the hare's ear. There we go.
Play. Go.
See that tree over there? Can't have that fucking up that honey hole. Kidro is gonna jump on this, go into those slippery rocks and flip that log over like it ain't no thing. He's gotta make sure he's zippered up, seal off those waders. Look at him reaching out, he's pulling, he's tugging. Look at that. Woo! Yeah. Yeah. That's how you match the hatch.